Welcome to the Sugar Factory Chronicles, where we give you a taste of the sweet life, revealing the remarkable process of turning fibrous sugarcane into the granulated sugar that sweetens your daily cup of coffee. As dawn breaks, the factory comes to life with the hum of machines and the buzz of workers preparing for the long day ahead. Truckloads of fresh, juicy sugarcane stalks arrive from nearby fields, ready for their transformation. Get closer and witness the sugar extraction, where these green giants are expertly crushed, releasing a clear, sweet juice that will soon become your favorite sweetener. The juice is then boiled, purified, and crystallized. In the end, there emerges the product we are all familiar with: pristine, white granules of sugar. Never before has the journey from field to spoon appeared so fascinating. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the day-to-day operations of our sugar factory and clarify what makes the sweet stuff so special.